your venom, keep it shut. I hate it when you hiss and preach about your new messiah, cause your theories catch fire. I can't find your silver.
Like the Twix, man! He's right on our tip! Like the Twix, I could really go for a cheeseburger! Yeah!
Can't believe they all over there! Oh, God!